up my AirPods that I got. I'm so excited that I got these AirPods. I bought them with my own money. They cost, how much did they cost?
$199.
So about $200.
Very good.
So I'm really lucky today because my mum bought me lots of stuff today. So we're gonna open it. So we got them open, so I'm gonna peel them off. I really like peeling off like Apple products because I never have before because I've never got an Apple product before. That's why I'm really excited, so I'm just gonna peel it off. Oh my god, look at that noise. Oh, that's so satisfying. So I pulled off the plastic. I'm really excited to see them. So I just smell them up. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, let's open it.
This is the best part.
Can we pull this off?
Yeah, pull it off.
Oh man.
Pick it up.
Come on.
Here, let me help you.
Yeah, help me please. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
You know how to pop it open? Yay, your own. It's exciting.
So excited.
They fit in your fat ears.
Yours fit and these are exactly the same.
So you have to sync them. See how it's doing. See how it's doing the white there? It means you've got to sync them because they're brand new. So put them back in and we'll sync them up to your iPad.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you have a great day. And subscribe if you have AirPods.